Hey guys, it's Abby here. Sorry, my mom's busy doing arena work. I'm going to show you some of our new horses. This is mine. This is Gypsum, and his show name is Golden Beauty. He looks like gold, that's why it's a nickname for his show name. Over there, that's Kennedy. She's my reining horse. I haven't really reined with her because I'm still kind of learning. Up right there by Mucho, that is her husband, John. Isn't he cute? Oh yeah, he's so cute. Then this is Elsa. She has a foal, and we'll show you the foals in a little bit. And then this is my horse. Oh yeah, I forgot, his head's sticking out. His name is Jackie. He's my barrel horse. Alright, well, let's go see the foals. This is the barn. Very, very big. See? Feed room, tack room way back there. There's Jackie. This is my horse, everybody. This is Jackie. No, isn't he so cute? That's my barrel horse. So now let's go over here to the foals. Now we are at the foal barn. That is Kayleen. We just got her from my auntie at Swift Creek Stables. Sorry, I forgot. I haven't been there in a while. That's her boyfriend, Spirit, water tank, and our little barn over there for them. That is little Captain. He is dating Renegade. Hi, girl. Little Captain we also got from Swift Creek. This right here. Oh, hey, girl. This is Goldie. Sorry, I didn't bring you any carrots today. We rescued her from the slaughterhouse. Yeah. Like, that was the same thing with Jack and John. We saved them from the slaughterhouse. Her, yeah. Then over here. Oh, and Elsa and her foal too. We saved from the slaughterhouse. That's her foal right there. You know, he's a really good one. This is Gatsby. He did not have a name, neither did she. I mean, like, none of these horses that we rescued even had a name, so we got to name them. I named the foal Gatsby, the girl, and the mommy, Elsa. Oh, and yes, I just got back from a trip in Texas, and we took Renegade and the Captain down, and Renegade got bit by a rattlesnake in the tail. They managed to get all the poison off, but then it got infected, and then they had to cut it off. So she's a tailless horse. At least it's not as bad as Spirit's. He doesn't have one leg. He's only got 3 legs. Alright, well, now we're going to go over to the arena. I'll show you what my mom and my cousin are doing. So let's go. Come on, follow me. Okay, now we are at the arena. Oh, look at my hair today. It's kind of messed up. That is my cousin, Ashley, riding her horse Jack, and over here you can see that he has a little blue polo wrap on his leg. That is because he was bit by a rattlesnake also, and they needed to put that on there so it would stay healthy. And over here is my mommy riding Tucker. Oops. Sorry guys, my fingers got in the way. And they're gonna do jumps. So you see those little blue things over there? They had to come through that, come down to this chair right over here, come around and around and around that chair, jump over that barrel, go up by the blue thing on the outside, come down, jump over this chair, come around this way, go over that yellow jump, and then go up and around, and then come down here, over by this chair, jump this chair again, and go straight through the blue things and end. It's very difficulty. It's very difficulty. I mean, difficult. Sorry, guys. I'm only on 5 hours of sleep. I'm so excited. My mom's taking me to a movie today. Yay! Yeah! Woohoo! It's I'm acting a little crazy. Well, that is all for our new farm tour. And this is no longer Pandarosa Stables or Lightning Stables. Lightning Stables is 10 hours away from here. We moved. We don't have all our horses that we used to have. We had to, oh my god, look at my eyeball. We had to board them because it was just too long for us to bring them. So now we're getting Majesty, Majestic, Bounty, and Katrina back tomorrow. So I'm staying here with Ashley, and my mom's driving 5 hours to Subway, and she's gonna have lunch with those people, and then she's gonna get the horses, and she'll drive 5 hours back. So it'll actually equal the whole time there. It's better than just driving 20 hours. Why would you do that? I don't know why. People are just so weird. And then they'll be back, and then I'll make a video on them. So that'll be it for today.